Hi everyone. Today we're putting colossal log splitters side by side with powerful homemade cutting machines. From fast processors to intense DIY rigs, you'll see raw power pushed to the limit as man and machine work at full force. It's about to get wild. Let's start. The Binderberger automatic saw takes firewood processing to a whole new level. It slices meter-long logs into clean 13-inch pieces with zero hesitation. Precision stays consistent at fully adjustable speeds, and with electric, PTO, or combo power options, it adapts to any setup. Built with safety-first engineering, easy mobility, and rock-solid efficiency, this machine turns firewood cutting into a smooth, effortless routine. This DIY circular saw slices raw logs into perfect firewood at unbelievable speed. A full cubic meter in just 6 minutes, 3 times faster than the usual rate. But speed means nothing without safety. That waist-high guard bar and instant shut-off system, just like a lawnmower, keep the operator protected. Pure cutting power blended with smart, responsible engineering. Forget swinging an axe. This electric screw shredder rips through yard debris effortlessly, turning thick branches and brush into neat, uniform chips. Compact yet powerful, it lets you adjust motor strength for each task. Safe, practical, and energy efficient, it delivers the perfect balance of cost, performance, and reliability for any backyard or professional job.
Плюс там той початок, ще плюса лича, вона така жиловата.
Forget swinging an axe. The Haki Pilkki Easy 42 from Finland elevates log processing to a new level. Its dual-cylinder hydraulics push out 13.2 tons of force, cutting logs up to 15.7 inches with 6, 8, or 12-way wedges. At $24,500, it delivers fast performance, clean cuts, and reliable power in one tough machine. This homemade log splitter is operating on a whole different level. It's not only splitting wood, but running like a mini production line packed with raw strength. The built-in roof for operator comfort is a clever touch. Watch the team work, fast, accurate, and non-stop. A true backyard powerhouse turning tough labor into smooth, controlled performance. Crafted with raw power and precision, this homemade saw and splitter slice through logs with effortless authority. Driven by belts, gears, and a heavy-duty motor, it turns massive timber into clean firewood in seconds. Pure backyard ingenuity at its absolute finest. The MTZ-82 from Belarus is a true workhorse built for dependable efficiency. Its fuel-saving diesel engine powers the Arbro 400 harvester head, and the Palm 670 crane with impressive ease. The Arbro delivers fast felling and smooth delimbing, while the Palm 670's 22-ton reach handles cut-to-length work like a pro. With electronic controls fine-tuning each motion, it's pure reliability and pure power working in perfect sync. Made in Italy, the TB900 Pilato is an absolute firewood processing powerhouse. Delivering 40 tons of splitting force and handling massive 35.4-inch logs, it's built for serious industrial performance. Its 29.5 GP electric motor and advanced hydraulic setup keep everything running smooth, pushing out up to 2,378 cubic feet of firewood every hour. Pure efficiency, pure heavy-duty output. This is precision logging at its finest. The lumberjack lines up the perfect cut, while the John Deere 650G steps in with pure hydraulic muscle for the final push. Power and skill merge as a towering tree drops exactly where planned. It's hard not to admire the flawless teamwork between man and machine. This Kamaz is buried deep in the trenches, its Yams engine roaring like a battle cry. Those massive tires grind through the mud, refusing to surrender. The road is a wreck, slick, rutted, unforgiving. For a moment it seemed trapped, but the beast powers on. Nothing slows a Kamaz when it's in full attack mode. They thought they could just pull it out. Yeah, right. That monster stump practically mocked their machines, forcing the crew to bring in the real heavy hitter. A stump grinder that turns solid wood into flying dust in seconds. No backbreaking digging, just clean, controlled destruction. Hard not to enjoy watching these beasts dominate the job. Forget manual chopping. This firewood monster pumps out nearly 3,200 pieces an hour without breaking a sweat. Logs slide in, and perfectly cut firewood pours out in a smooth, non-stop flow. No wasted motion, no rough edges, just clean, relentless efficiency. Honestly, who wouldn't want a game-changing machine like this running in their backyard? Can you believe this DIY circular saw? It cuts a full cubic meter of wood in just 6 minutes, around 3 times faster than usual. But speed needs safety. Add a waist-high guard and an emergency shutoff bar, just like a lawnmower, to keep the power controlled. He aimed the fall away from the house, but trees don't always follow the plan. One wrong cut and the branches dropped hard, punching a fresh skylight through the roof. A sharp reminder that nature doesn't forgive small mistakes. Every log, branch, and leftover offcut gets a new purpose. This powerhouse turns scrap timber into neatly split firewood with speed and precision. Fast, clean, efficient, no waste, no burn piles, just pure circular value in motion. Modern forestry at its best, boosting profit, cutting waste, and protecting the planet. Smart, sustainable, and incredibly satisfying to watch every time. Meet the Langhold Spalter Spal Pioneer 4000, a true powerhouse equipped with a 37-kilo engine designed for nonstop log splitting. One smooth, controlled motion crushes even the biggest timber, cutting down time and effort in any forestry task. Efficiency, strength, and precision all combined into one unstoppable, reliable machine built for serious work. This vintage wood processor transforms raw logs into perfectly cut fuel blocks with mesmerizing accuracy. Built from heavy steel with classic, old-school engineering, it tackles log after log effortlessly. Watching it in action feels like stepping back to a time when machines were made to last a lifetime, combining raw power, durability, and precision in every move. You think axes are risky? This homemade firewood splitter is pure metal mayhem. The belt-driven flywheel spins with unbelievable force. One wrong move, and it's not just firewood that gets shredded. Every action demands full attention and respect. This machine is a reminder that power without caution can turn deadly in an instant. Better leave this beast to the pros. The Holtzalter Extreme. ADT is pure brute force at work. With 80 tons of hydraulic splitting pressure, it crushes massive hardwood logs like they're matchsticks. Designed for industrial-scale firewood production, this horizontal splitter delivers unmatched speed, efficiency, and raw power. Every log processed proves why it's a true game-changer in heavy-duty forestry, turning back-breaking labor into smooth, controlled work. Drop a 1 in the comments if this machine blew your mind. Your support fuels us to keep crushing it with even more epic, jaw-dropping content. Every like and comment helps us bring bigger, bolder machines to your screen. So don't hold back. Let us know what amazed you the most. Check out this custom-built horizontal wood splitter, powered by the Kramer 450 Export S tractor through a PTO shaft. With a strong 120-liter pump and 127-liter control block, this machine is engineered for serious wood-splitting tasks. It handles massive logs with ease and precision, making it an absolute beast. Efficiency, power, and reliability all rolled into one unstoppable forestry machine.